Onyeka, I want to learn a digital skill, but I don't have a laptop. In this video, I will share with you digital skills you can learn on your mobile phone. Don't go anywhere. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyeka Adidayo. I'm a full stack marketer and community builder. If this is your first time landing on this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Today, we're going to be talking about digital skills you can learn on your mobile device. And you already know that every time you see me with this paper, I'm about to deliver something nice. So let us just get started. The first thing I have on my list here is social media management. Social media management has to do with you being on social media applications, and most of these applications you can access on your mobile device. So if you're looking for a digital skill you can learn on your mobile device, that is the number one option: social media management. Now, if you're wondering what is social media management, how can I become a social media manager? In my community, we did a whole training on social media management and it's hosted for free. There, you can go and learn it. If you want to join the community, the link is in the video description. The next on our list is content creation. I'm currently shooting this video with my mobile phone and I'm going to also edit it with my mobile phone. That is how easy content creation is right now. The barrier to entry is so low. So if you have a mobile device that has a good camera, you have a microphone, you can go ahead and become a content creator and start making money. People are looking for content creators everywhere right now who can help them market or sell their products. And don't even be concerned if you don't have an audience, because micro influencers, UGC content creators, they are winning big this season. So that's another way to go. The next skill you can learn is mobile graphics. I remember in 2020, I was part of a team that was teaching graphics on mobile. So this is graphics using Canva, Adobe Express, Pixel Lab, I think, PixArt, all these platforms. You can learn how to create beautiful designs using these tools and start earning as a mobile graphics designer. If you're wondering if there's a market for this, I'll tell you for sure there is, and there are people out there who are creating very, very beautiful designs using their mobile phone. So if you love creating designs, that may be your option: mobile graphics. Next on our list is content writing. I became a content writer using my mobile phone. I was doing research on my phone, writing on Google Documents on my phone, sending to the team to publish on my phone. I did not have to use my laptop for anything. So if you want to learn content writing, there is a full video I did on this channel teaching you how you can learn content writing, every single thing you need to know. So go and watch it. It's completely free and it's very insightful. Next on our list is affiliate marketing. There are some people who have products, but they do not have the audience to sell it to. Now, when you become an affiliate marketer for them, you're helping them sell their product on WhatsApp, in WhatsApp groups, channels, on TikTok, on your Facebook, wherever platform. And there's so many brands out there who are looking for affiliates. A platform like Namecheap as Namecheap affiliates. So many organizations, like you just go to Google and search affiliates or businesses looking for affiliates, you're going to see so many options. Next on our list is going to be podcasting. Now, podcasting, similar to content creation, you can do on your mobile phone. You just have to use your sound recorder to record, or maybe Zoom if you're inviting someone. You record your podcast, you edit it on your phone, and you upload it on Spotify or even Substack. I think YouTube also has a YouTube podcast section. So determine what works for you and go that route. It is super, super easy to get started and you don't have to worry your head. You don't even have to be on camera to do podcasting. Next up is virtual assistant. I feel like this one is so easy because you are basically doing things for people that you already do for yourself, helping them manage their time, their calendar, their emails, right? And you don't need any extra tool to do it apart from your mobile phone. If you want to learn virtual assistant, I know that ALX teaches this, so that can be where you want to go to learn how to become a virtual assistant. Next up is community management. Community management is done using tools that we already know. For instance, Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, Slack, and these tools can sit on your mobile device. So if you love managing people, if you love engaging people, community management might just be it for you. And if you're wondering, oh, how can I get community engagement ideas when I'm a community manager? I have a video sharing 21 community engagement ideas that you can implement as a community manager. Next on our list is online teaching. Now, this does not even have to be maybe you teaching someone a digital skill. It could also be you teaching courses, things like mathematics, English. There are people looking for online tutors nowadays. If you check on Google, you will find, or if you even ask around, you will find people who are interested in online teaching to learn certain subjects, right? You can take advantage of this and just put yourself out there, start teaching online and making your cool money. There is also digital product creation. the barrier to entry is very low. If you have Google Documents, you have Canva, you can create a digital product. If you have Notion, you can also create a template, and sell this template for good money. So if you are someone who loves documenting, someone who loves putting resources together, I think that this will be very helpful for you. Next up is crypto Web3. Now, there are certain aspects of crypto that you can do on your mobile device. For example, DeFi. With DeFi, you're basically accessing applications, decentralized applications on your mobile phone, and participating in trades. Now, if you want to learn DeFi, or if you want to get into Web3, learn trading and things like that, I have a resource tagged Web3 Swipe File. It contains everything that you need to know about Web3, and I'm going to link the resource in the description below. The final thing on my list is photo editing. There are people who love pictures, but they don't know how to edit their pictures. Now, you can create presets on platforms like Lightroom, or even use a tool like Hypic to edit quality pictures. You may not be a photographer, but you can tell people, I can edit your photo for a certain amount of money. And when they take their pictures, they send it to you to edit. Trust me, these tools, Lightroom, Hypic, if you want to do photo editing, that's another way for you to go. So these are all the things that I'm going to be sharing on digital skills you can learn on your mobile. And I hope that it has been very helpful for you. If you have questions, drop it in the comment section and I'll respond. And if you've made it up until this end, please don't leave without subscribing. Thank you. Bye.